Hey, hey, hey. My name is Xavier Brown and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm in my bathroom. My hair is done. So it's a maintenance day. So you already know. Sit back, relax, and let's do some motherfucking hair. Okay, so I've already gone in and I've washed and conditioned my hair. I'll show you guys the products if you're new here. If you're not new, you already know what it is. So I wash my hair and my extensions with the exact same things. So I use the silicone mix shampoo and conditioner. I love it because it's hydrating, cleans, but it also maintains my hair. I am going on my fourth install with this hair, I think. I don't know, but holy grail. Okay, also, so as a maintenance video, I'm trying to remember to tell you guys the things that I don't. So let me just see. I get my installs every 2 months. Traditional install, minimal leave out. I guess it's slightly more minimal than other people's minimal, but for me it's minimal. I only do middle part. I do not do flip over. I don't have two parts. It's too much work. I wash my hair every week faithfully. I refresh my hair color, both my hair and the extensions, every time I go in for a new install, and I use the Ion Color Brilliance 1V in shade Jet Black, and I do one-to-one color, Wella Color Charm 10 volume developer. So this is my ratio. That's how I get my hair dye. Every time I wash and condition my hair, I use the coldest water setting, so my color tends to maintain longer than it used to when I wasn't. Yeah, I want to say that's it. I've got new products, and I love these. These got me through, baby. They got me through Amsterdam and Paris. Yeah, let me tell you, girl had a time. So not all of my products changed. I'm using the same tube, but I swapped out two. So I go in now with, when I take this down, I'm going to start and spray my hair with this Mark Anthony, sorry. Oh no, Mark Anthony Anti-Frizz Blowout Serum Shield. I start here, and then I don't put as much as I used to because I've added this to my regimen. Baby, this Kenra, honey. Adding these two, because I also added this Amika anti-humidity spray. Adding these really did it. It really did it. But also, when I go in with my curling iron, one thing that hasn't changed, y'all already know my heat protectant, my Fantasia heat protectant. Get you some of that. And I did also get a new spray. I got a volumizing spray from Sexy Hair, and love it down. Okay, so now let's get into the process of it all. Okay, so I've already washed and conditioned. I'm going to start with my extensions. I'm going to douse the wet hair with this product, Mark Anthony, and with the Kenra. Once I do that, I'm going to just take my blow dryer and try to get it pretty dry just before I put the styling attachment onto it. So you will see me go back and forth with these products. One thing I also want to add, that after I do the blow drying, the first part blow drying, I do go in with the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. Yeah. Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. Okay, before I get into the attachments, I'm going to blow dry my leave out real quick off camera. Okay, now that I've dried my leave out, I am going to take my favorite attachment and just blow dry this out before I get ready for my prep. You'll see me spray to get into the evening, so yeah. Okay, I've done all of the blowing. I'm going to bring my leave out off camera and then crop time. Okay, as we can see, I've had my lead out kind of just getting settled. I did my makeup because mom got things to do. So we're gonna curl. Normally, after I curl, I would like to let it sit, sometimes do some rollers. I ain't got time for that. I really don't, I really don't. So we're just going to take my Chi 1.5-inch roller and intermittently spray my Fantasia heat protectant along with my Amika humidity spray and use any of that bit. Ah, I don't know if you can see it, but I burnt my neck. Okay, so I'm going to just comb this out, and in that, I'm going to comb this out, and in that I'm going to try the Bretman Rock 80s trick. I say Bretman Rock 80s and 80s because Bretman Rock brought it back to TikTok, but according to all of the older baddies I saw, this is an 80s trick. So I'm going to try to volumize the front. So I'm going to take it with a brush and just spray it up. I'm nervous. Okay. Now I gotta take these out. Yeah. Period. So you already know I'm obsessed. If you like it, like, subscribe, comment. If you don't, you shouldn't even be here. Okay? You shouldn't. So that's hair day. I'll see you guys next week.